What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you how probable is the $100 price target for this company. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So, and let's continue with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we had a very good movement to the upside with a good volume, and I nailed this bottom. It is a golden pocket pattern, and this pattern is extremely bullish, I have to say, because statistically it is the most probable range of trend reversal. And as you can see, I made a breakdown of this movement from the beginning of September till present day, and we've completed 4 waves out of 5, and because of this movement we can pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top in order to measure the potential levels where we might land. And for now we had very good bounce from this range with increasing volume, and for now we have some bearish signs. But I will show you these signs in my technical analysis, and for now let's continue with the fundamental news. So, we are anticipating the official data about their deliveries, and unfortunately on their official website we still don't have any mentions about the deliveries of Q4 2021, and on their official Twitter page we don't have this data as well. The only information that we have is a Bear's Workshop Twitter page, and he has a lot of information about Nikola and Lucid, and he made several flyovers over the Lucid plant, and he has this type of pictures. So 55 minutes ago he posted this picture and he wrote, "Here is today's car count as shown in our live stream. We caught 72 cars, at least 20 from yesterday were taken away." And let me show you the yesterday's count, and he posted it 23 hours ago, and he wrote, "We stopped by Lucid today for a quick car count, 82 total cars. Tomorrow will be our next flyover, and we will have a car count that we will be putting out in tomorrow's Lucid live stream." And on this picture you can see even 3 trucks, 3 delivery trucks, and right after they leave this area, as you can see, about 20 cars are missed. And in my opinion it is still a good speed of the deliveries, but we have to know the numbers. And the only concern about this company for now, whether they were capable to deliver 520 vehicles or not. And because of this lack of news, we have a lot of other news that might contradict each other. So, on January the 12th, we have this article that is titled "Lucid, valuation certain to lose air." And the summary is, Lucid is significantly overvalued at the current $75 billion market cap. Lucid's operations are premature and the company has yet to prove their ability to scale up to mass production. And the upcoming lockup expiration on 1.2 billion shares on January 19, 2022 will put downward pressure on the share price. And I have to say that previous lockup period that ended at the end of August 2021 was the reason of this massive sell-off for more than, let me show you, for more than 30%. And it was quite huge sell-off, and definitely we might experience this type of bearish pressure on January 19th. And on top of this news we have this article that was published on January the 12th as well, and it's titled "Valuations on Lucid and Rivian are not so crazy." And let me quote you this. "The high-flying market caps of $74 billion on Lucid Group and $75 billion on Rivian Automotive can make sense on a detailed valuation check, according to a new research report from London-based Redburn. Analyst Charles Caldecott says the fair value delivered by discounted cash flow analysis is $39 for Lucid Group. Caldecott admits the valuation seems crazy on the surface, but he crunches the numbers to back into the high targets. We expect Lucid to ramp up volumes to 0.6 million by 2030, representing revenue of $34 billion with an EBITDA margin of 18.1%. By 2030, that leaves Lucid and Rivian approaching an EV sales multiple of 1.5x and EV EBITDA of less than 10x. Levels which Code observes that BMW, Ford and Volkswagen have all enjoyed for long periods of their history. Lucid Group is slotted at neutral, trading above the fair value mark. So, let me show you that for now we have 6 ratings related to Lucid Motors, and 2 of them suggest to buy, 3 to hold and 1 to sell. And the price targets are following. The lowest price target is $16, average price target is $41.2 and the highest price target is $60. And to average price we have a downside potential of about 9.3%. So it is not so bullish, I have to say. And let me show you another news that might be extremely bullish for Lucid in the long term. On January the 12th, we have this article that is titled Lucid Group eyes manufacturing in Saudi Arabia as early as 2025. And let me quote you this. Lucid Group plans to have an electric vehicle factory in Saudi Arabia by 2025 or 2026, according to Chairman Andrew Leveris. The site being considered is believed to be Jeddah, which is located near the Red Sea. Leveris told Bloomberg TV that specifics on ownership percentage for Lucid and partners on the project are still being worked out. The Saudi Public Investment Fund is the largest shareholder in LCID. So, and this might be extremely bullish news for Lucid, but first of all, they have to prove their capabilities to deliver 520 to 570 cars in 2021, and then they have to deliver about 20,000 vehicles this year. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we finished the fourth wave. The bottom of the fourth wave might be at this point. Let me do it like this. And the price targets in the greater scale are following. It is a 0.786 Fibonacci extension level. If I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement, and it is the price point of $64.95. Next, more aggressive target is 1-to-1 level, and it is $73.45. And the most aggressive target is right here, 1.618 extension level at the price point of $97.98. And a lot of YouTubers make the $100 price target for this stock, but without any evidence how we might hit it. And for now, as you can see, I have this breakdown according to Elliott wave theory, and definitely I have this price target as the most aggressive one for this asset. But first of all, we have to break all the resistances that are above our current range, and definitely the most important one will be at $61.95 and this previous all-time high at $64.95, and it is our first, the most conservative target on a greater scale. And for now, the probability that we might hit the range of about $100 is not more than 20 to 25%, and we have to keep this in mind. So what should we expect in near future? In my opinion, let me show you in details. We should have a pullback, and this pullback might give you next opportunity to enter your position on lower price targets, but we have to keep in mind that if we will break the bottom of the fourth wave, it will invalidate pretty much this count and we will go lower. And the crucial point for now definitely is the January 19th, and it is right here. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. We have to keep an eye on this date. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!